Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about hair, and speaking of which, how good does my hair look in this video? Look at that, it's just so nice and smooth. It is very nice and shiny and just super bouncy as well. And of course, being your internet bestie, I'm going to be sharing the secret and all the things that I got done to achieve this silky smooth and soft hair. So without any further ado, let's get started. The weather is changing, it's becoming drier and colder, and that just means that your hair is going to go through a lot of changes as well. My hair was just getting very dry and lifeless, and it was just basically becoming very unmanageable. So that's why I went to the Visible Difference salon in Chennai to get myself a treatment done, and they actually introduced me to the L'Oréal Professionnel Serie Expert treatment. So they actually have 4 different categories in this Serie Expert treatment. All these 4 different categories target 4 different hair concerns. So I needed something to repair my hair, and they actually recommended the Absolut Repair range. Now apart from this, they actually have 3 other ranges as well. We have the Liss Unlimited. Now the Liss Unlimited is an intense smoothing treatment intended to bring back the moisture back to dry and frizzy hair. The Liss Unlimited range gives you up to 96 hours of frizz-free hair. So next we have the Vitamino treatment, and this treatment is mainly targeted for people with colored hair. So if you've recently colored your hair, then this is the treatment you need to opt for so that you can retain the hair quality as well as the color. And this hair treatment will give you 8 weeks of color protection as well. And lastly, we have the Pro Longer treatment. This one is for those people who have really long hair with thin ends. So as your hair grows longer, it becomes thinner on the ends and it doesn't really look that great. So if you're someone who is dealing with that issue and you want your hair to look even and just really nice and thick throughout, then this is the treatment you need to go for. To make your hair look very thicker and plumper throughout, and it's going to make it look nice and healthy, and it helps reduce split ends by up to 66%. So I think that is pretty great. Now these are the other 3 ranges, but the one that was recommended to me was the Absolut Repair. Now this range actually helps visibly resurface the hair while leaving the fiber repaired, soft and healthy, and that's exactly what I needed. And this will also help give me 13 times more resistance to future hair damage. So as you guys can see, the Serie Expert treatment by L'Oréal Professionnel really gives you that customized hair care solution for your particular concerns. So I went into the consultation first, and the hairdresser did a thorough research of my hair. She first looked into my scalp and noticed that I had very dry and flaky scalp. Then she moved on to my hair and saw that I had very dry ends, and to my surprise, she actually even asked me whether I use a lot of heating and styling products on my hair, and I was feeling kind of embarrassed, but I had to tell her the truth and say that yes, I actually do a lot of styling and use a lot of heating products on my hair. So she could actually immediately diagnose the concern of my hair, which was that it was very dry and brittle and basically just needed a lot of repair.
This is where I was introduced to the 4 treatments, and the one that was recommended to me was the Absolut Repair.
So there are 3 products in the Absolut Repair range. You have the Absolut Repair shampoo, then you have the Absolut Repair mask, followed by the Absolut Repair 10-in-1 serum. So these were the 3 products that were recommended to me to be used, and these are also the products that were going to be used in the treatment. So the treatment itself has 5 different steps. So after the consultation was over, we headed straight to the treatment. So this in-salon treatment actually comes in 5 different steps. So step number 1 was cleanse. Step number 2 is hair care. Step number 3 is massage. Step number 4 is treat. And the last and final step is perfect. So these are the 5 steps. It was such a relaxing experience. excited with how my hair looks right now. I knew that I immediately had to share it with you guys. The treatment didn't just end at the salon. Of course, I wanted to continue keeping my hair nice and healthy. So I actually bought the same range from the salon as well. This one is the L'Oréal Professionnel Absolut Repair range, and that was the entire treatment, guys. I would absolutely 100% recommend you guys going and getting this treatment done. If you're someone like me who's facing some issue, or if you're someone who is facing some other kind of hair concerns, I'm pretty sure you guys can go and opt for one of these treatments, and I'm going to be using this every single week so that my hair can look nice and healthy like this, and get the treatment done whenever it's needed. And if you guys are interested in any of these products and details, everything will be linked in the description box below. So go right now and check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!